I'm David and you're watching Direct Mobile's TV, and this is the 4G Mini Wi-Fi from EE. You can connect more than 20 devices to it, and it's small enough to slip into your pocket, so you have your own personal Wi-Fi just for you wherever you go. You can also share this with family and friends that are with you. Let's take a look at what you get in the box and the device itself and see how it works. We'll do some real-world speed tests too. Okay, so we have the battery, a USB cable, the setup guide, password and login information. It's all here. The device itself is really nice and pocketable. Here it is next to the iPhone XS, so you get a sense of scale. Under this cover is space for the removable 2150 mAh battery, and here is where you place the SIM. Now when you order, don't forget that you have the option for a fixed contract or a 30-day rolling contract for more flexibility. It's a nano SIM and it goes in easily. Right, so now we've got the device powered up. It's searched for EE's 4G signal already, and these icons will turn red if you have any problems with the signal or you're low on battery. So let's connect my laptop first. This is great if you're working remotely and don't want to rely on a potentially unsafe public Wi-Fi. Using the password that came in the box, it's a doddle to set up and there's no issues at all here. As I said before, you can connect 20 devices to this thing. So let's connect to Huawei, Samsung, Pixel, iPhone and do a speed test. And the results are, admirably, surprisingly fast upload and download speeds, even at peak times and with multiple connections, all streaming HD YouTube content simultaneously. I've tested the device in all kinds of places, such as cafes, on trains, as well as in the studio that I use for filming, and even at home. And thanks to EE's network coverage and speeds, as well as how well the Mini itself performs, the results have been really good. Even at peak times with multiple devices connected, I found it can be quicker than my dedicated home broadband, which is something that I didn't expect. You should get a couple days from the battery if you're only using it with one device and you're not using it too heavily. But if you've got lots of devices connected, all streaming HD video, you'll find that it will last around about 5 hours. Obviously though, I'd recommend keeping it charged. So that's the 4G EE Mini, and it's highly recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.